A CPM polling agent has been found dead on the outskirts of Kolkata. The body was found near railway tracks in the Bidhan Nagar railway station area. Ujjwal Mukherjee was the agent of CPIM in the Bidhan Nagar civic polls that were held on Saturday. Police investigations have been initiated. Civic polls were peppered with violence. The Election Commission has called off counting of votes immediately. India Today's Manogya Loiwal now joins us with more on the story. Manogya, we were looking at pictures of violence and of clashes that took place between rival factions. But what have police investigations revealed so far as CPIM polling agent Ujjwal Mukherjee's case is concerned?
Well, Ujjwal's body has been found in mysterious circumstances near the Bidhan Nagar railway track. We're also told that it's not just about mysterious circumstances but also being of the rival faction. There could be more to it than what meets the eye. His body was found early in the morning. On whether there is a higher ploy to it is what is being probed by the police. The CPIM, however, has said that there is foul play in it, and they have alleged that there might be an involvement of Trinamool Congress also in it, because there have been violence. What you've seen even on our screens, what you see now, what we've been observing from past 3 days, there has been spurt of violence in the Bidhan Nagar civic polls, where we had seen goons from outside, not even hailing from Bidhan Nagar, who were brought in for conducting polls in different areas where media was attacked. And even as we talk, Gaurav, I have an update that 3 people have been arrested on non-bailable sections under section 307 and 316 of IPC on charges of attacking journalists and media persons, which had left more than 18 media persons injured. So it's not just about the politics or the attack on media, but also a lot of probe that the police will now have to go ahead with.
Manogya, keep tracking that story. For the moment, many thanks for joining me.